Have you heard about the latest craze in the wellness world? It's all about okra water and its amazing benefits for controlling blood sugar levels. Yup, you heard it right. That humble green veggie might just be the secret weapon you need for better blood sugar management. So grab your apron and get ready to dive into some delicious okra water recipes that not only taste great, but also work wonders for keeping your blood sugar. And let's explore the magic of okra together. Basic okra water. Making okra water for blood sugar control is pretty easy. First, grab some fresh okra, also known as lady finger. It's those green, slimy veggies you might have seen in the market. Now, the science behind it is pretty neat. Okra contains soluble fiber, which can slow down the digestion of carbs. This means your blood sugar doesn't spike as much after eating. Plus, it's got some antioxidants that might help improve insulin sensitivity. Now onto the process. Get about 4 to 5 okras. Wash them real good to get rid of any dirt or whatever might be on them. Then chop off the tops and bottoms of the pods and slice them into thin pieces. This helps release more of that soluble fiber when you soak them in water. Next, get a jar or a pitcher and fill it with about 2 cups of water. Add your chopped okra into the water and let it soak overnight. This gives the okra plenty of time to do its thing and infuse the water with all that blood sugar controlling goodness in the morning. Strain out the okra pieces and you have got yourself some homemade okra water. Citrus-infused okra water. Alright, now let's level up our okra water game with a zesty twist. Citrus-infused okra water. This version adds a refreshing kick to the mix. Also, citrus fruits bring their own set of perks to the table. They're rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help with insulin sensitivity and overall blood sugar management. Start by following the basic okra water recipe. Grab those fresh okra, wash them up, and chop them into slices. Then, instead of just using plain water, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon or orange into your jar, along with the chopped okra. Let it all mingle together overnight, just like with the basic recipe. By morning, you'll have a refreshing, citrus-infused okra water ready to go. And here's a fun tip. You can even freeze slices of lemon or orange and use them as ice cubes in your okra water. Spiced okra elixir. Spices like cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger are known for their blood sugar lowering properties. Cinnamon, for instance, can mimic the effects of insulin and improve glucose uptake by cells. To make it, start with the basic okra water recipe. Now here comes the fun part, adding spices. Throw in a cinnamon stick, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and some slices of fresh ginger into the mix. You can make changes to the spices to suit your personal taste. Let everything mingle overnight, allowing the flavors to infuse into the water. In the morning, strain out the okra and spices, and that's it. You've got yourself a spiced okra elixir that not only smells amazing, but also works wonders for keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Okra hibiscus tea. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. When combined with the soluble fiber and antioxidants in okra, you've got yourself a powerful duo for managing blood sugar. Now on to the process. Start by following the basic okra water recipe. Next, bring out your hibiscus tea bags or loose hibiscus petals and brew some tea following the instructions on the package. Once your tea is ready, mix it with the soaked okra water and let them mingle together for a few hours. This allows the flavors to blend and the beneficial compounds to infuse into the tea. When you're ready to enjoy, strain out the okra and any tea bags or petals, and that's it. You've got yourself a refreshing okra hibiscus tea. Okra and fenugreek seed water. For preparing okra and fenugreek seed water, you will need about 4 to 5 okra, washed and sliced just like in the basic okra water recipe. Alongside, grab a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Now on to the science behind it. Fenugreek seeds contain soluble fiber and compounds like trigonline, which regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down carbohydrate digestion and improving insulin sensitivity. Now let's get cooking. Drop your sliced okra and fenugreek seeds into a jar, just like before. Fill it with about 2 cups of water and let it soak overnight. This gives the okra and fenugreek seeds enough time to work their magic and infuse the water with their blood sugar controlling properties. Here's a little extra tip. Before soaking your ingredients overnight, consider gently toasting the fenugreek seeds in a dry skillet for a few minutes. This simple step can enhance their flavor and aroma, adding a rich depth to your drink. Soup base. Now let's talk about turning our blood sugar controlling okra water into a hearty soup base that's not only delicious, but packed with nutrients. This soup base is perfect for chilly nights or whenever you need something warm and soothing. Now onto the soup making process. Pour a tablespoon of olive oil into a pot and put it on medium heat. Add in some diced onions, carrots, and celery, about a cup of each. These veggies not only add flavor, but also provide essential nutrients and fiber. Once the veggies are softened, add some minced garlic and your favorite herbs and spices. I like to use a mix of thyme, rosemary, and bay leaf for a savory flavor. Next, pour in your okra-infused water, along with any additional broth or stock of your choice. Simmer it for 20 to 30 minutes to make sure all the flavors blend nicely. Okra water is not just some fad, it's a game changer in the world of wellness, especially for managing blood sugar levels. Whether you stick with the basic recipe or venture into citrus-infused, spiced, or even fruity concoctions, there's a flavor for everyone. And the best part, it's super easy to make and customize according to your taste preferences. Store it in the fridge overnight, and by morning, you will have a refreshing drink ready to go to extend its lifespan. You can also freeze it into ice cubes for later use in smoothies or other recipes. So why not give okra water a try? Cheers to the magic of okra and its versatile, delicious possibilities. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.